Okay, for those of us who wants to buy the land, I want to do a video on how to do it. If you can't buy now, subsequently you can do it with this video. Then click on the menu bar, click on browser. When you click on browser, you will type in, assuming you are a first timer, you type in micro nft.market. You find yourself here. Once you come here, you will see all these lands. Ignore them, just come down, go to view all, click on view all. When you click on view all, what you do is that you come and select land and orders. Make sure you select land on orders. Then you type in here the price 10,000, 1 2 3, then another 10,000 there. So when you put 10,000 here, click search. When you click on search, it's going to bring out all these. Forget these ones. These ones are NFTs. All these are NFTs. In case you want to buy, you can also buy these ones. Continue going back. Start looking for the land at the far back. All these ones are NFTs. You can see they are all NFTs. They are not. These ones are not lands. So you continue going down. Continue going down and see, okay, you have seen this is land now. You can see this is visual land. You can choose to still go down. Continue going down, so you will get the ones that people are not already buying. Continue going down. Okay, these are lands now. When you want to, let me buy this one, you just click on purchase. When you click on purchase, what next do? You click another purchase. Then it will now ask you give permission for this and that. Yes, you wait a bit for you to go and give an approval. It's going to bring out approval. It's going to show you an approval. Okay, probably because I don't have more this thing. Then once it shows you approval here, you click on approval. When you click on approval, it will confirm your transaction and say purchase successful. That is simple way to buy the land. I don't know if the land is still selling, but I've gotten my own.